Hello everyone, welcome back to TechGems. In today's video, I will show you how to make your iPhone screen much darker at night. So let's get started. First, turn on the dark mode, open the control center and press and hold the brightness slider. Then tap on the dark mode to turn it on. Next, make your app icons darker. Press and hold an empty area on your home screen and tap edit. Then tap on the customize and at the bottom choose dark. Your app icons will now have a darker look. Now set a darker wallpaper. Open the Photos app and choose a dark or black wallpaper. And finally, turn on reduce white point. Simply open the setting app and here scroll down and search for accessibility. Yeah, here it is. And here scroll down and again tap on display and text size, and here scroll down and at the bottom of the screen you will see reduce white point, and simply just turn it on and adjust the starter to the level you like, and that's it. Now your iPhone screen will be much more comfortable to use at night. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to TechSams for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.